everyone. We're here at Louis Lake State Campground. It's part of the Adirondacks State Park in New York. We got here about like 2:30 a.m. last night, and yeah, it was a long drive. We drove about 5 hours 15 minutes with a couple stops for gas and whatever. As you can see, you probably already saw, we have the tent set up. We're in a really nice area, plenty of foliage and beautiful colors from the leaves. Today's list of things to do is we have to check in, number one. Number two, we have 2 trailheads we're gonna probably try to getting to. One of them I know for sure is Snowy Mountain, and I actually saw the trailhead, so I know where to go for that one. And then lastly, later on, we're gonna gather some firewood so we could have a nice fire this evening, and that's really it. Sunset's probably gonna be around 6 o'clock, 6:30ish. So we have a nice full day ahead of us, and yeah, we're really excited. We've been trying to get upstate somewhere like the Adirondacks for a long time to see during this time of year. It's October 12th, 2019, and we're trying to come up here and see all the foliage. I'll give you a quick view right now. I know you might have saw some already from the opening shots, but it's beautiful. It really is. And then here's our tent again, and as you can see behind us, we really don't have, there's nothing back there but woods. All the way that way actually is the main road that we came in off of, and we had to drive through a long back road to get to our campsite. So really pretty. Really excited to explore the surrounding area, and yeah, so we're gonna get started. Like I said, there's some of the color. We're gonna get going. We have a full day ahead of us, and yeah, we're excited. So one other thing I was gonna say, can't remember. Oh, yeah, I'll talk about it later. It was just about how, like, this is a preview of, kind of our next step. We're looking to do some backcountry camping, and coming up to the Adirondacks is part of that, and we're gonna end up going somewhere in like the High Peaks Wilderness next. So we're still learning. We have a lot to learn. A long ways to go to some gear improvements, but it's part of the fun. So all right, we'll talk to you guys later when we're on some trails, wherever we end up. All right, bye. So we are at OK Slip Falls, and basically we're just going to locate the trailhead. So we're here, as you can see. Let's focus that. We're here at the parking zone. So now we have to apparently cross the street, hopefully not get hit by any cars and die, and get to this little Ross Pond Trail, 0.8 of a mile, and then there's going to be a fork. And we're going to have to go right at the fork, taking another 1.3 miles to the blue trail of OK Slip Falls Trail. There's a couple of points of interest, those little dots there, so let's get going. We're going to get on the falls. Hopefully we don't slip, because it is OK Slip Falls. So, alright. Are you excited, Yuliya? Okay. So once again, we still have some beautiful color, really great. Alright, a car's coming, so I'm going to shut this down. Let's get going. Alright, so we found the trailhead for OK Slip Falls. We're going to head down it now. If you ever get to here and you find the parking spot, but like where the heck is the trail, you want to just go left outside of the parking lot, cross the street. You can walk along the metal fence here, or you could walk along the other side. There's a footpath. Car coming. So, and then the sign is kind of blocked by bushes and stuff. When you're walking from here to here, you're not going to see it, so we just stumbled upon it by accident, and here it is. I mean, we knew we were going in the general direction, so here we go. We're gonna get started. Let's dive in. What is this? Register. What do we gotta do?
Nothing.
It says please register. Register what? Nothing?
To do this.
Okay, let's go. It says it could save you though. Why would you not want to be saved, if anything? Yeah, let's register just in case we get murdered in there.
It doesn't look like it gets checked often.
It would get checked.
Alright.
if something happens, they'll know at least. Maybe we won't get saved, but at least maybe. I mean, it says please register. It could save your life. Why would you not want to do it? Today's the 12th, so it looks like we got a couple
We
got a
the
couple
fourth
people in there.
here.
Let me not show their names and information because that goes all over, you know. All right. I'm gonna cut out here. I'm gonna stop at the next point of interest for you guys. Alright, so I didn't want to say anything because, you know, Yuliya's been around, but this is a very special video. I'm actually going to be proposing to Yuliya. So a lot of you already know. And you're going to see how it's set up. The conditions are the weather, the foliage, everything is perfect. It's beautiful. The trail is amazing. So it's just a matter of getting to those waterfalls, making sure that the view is great, and yeah, that's it. I have everything set. I don't think she would expect it at all. So she's looking at me now, record this, so I'm gonna cut out. Okay. And now, okay. Wow, lots of mud. Looks like they stepped right in it too. There's a couple people ahead of us. We let them pass so that we could obviously record, so. And they also had 2 dogs, so the dogs were kind of pulling them along. So I figured just let them pass. This area is really nice.
Honestly, living here, you really have activities all year long.
Why are you just turning away like that?
Why are you filming me?
Because you wanted to say something on camera. Okay, we have a tree here that's literally growing 90 degrees. Wait, is that right? No.
Yeah.
It's not 90 degrees, I was going to say perpendicular, but it's growing parallel to gravity, basically. Gravity to the earth, whatever, I don't know. Just look at the tree, it's completely sideways. And it's still alive, and it has actually a nice color on it too. So, I mean, hopefully nobody cuts it or it doesn't die. It's pretty cool. The root system seems like it's still pretty embedded in there, so. Alright. Anyway, I don't know how far along we are here. It feels like we are getting there. I'm still not hearing water though, so kind of confused about that part. I thought there was supposed to be waterfalls. Obviously not huge, but at least something. When we were in Shenandoah, we heard waterfalls from, well, we were walking along like the river, I guess, the stream the whole time almost, so. Anyway, it's still really nice to soak in all the leaves and the color. Look at all this. Really nice. Yuliya found herself a nice lounge chair here. She gets up because
It's
it's...
like a slide.
Is it? Yeah. This tree is bent. Really nice colors on this one too. Sheesh. Like a really nice yellow. Like the color, the yellow that apples are. Like yellow apples. Yeah, I've seen these trees that like they're like standing up on their roots. Alright, we'll get you when we come back, tune in back in when we're at the falls or something else cool. Alright, so here's another scene. This was after we just saw me. I was talking about the tree that was sideways. We just came out of a trail. You make a left, you're kind of like on this dirt road here. And I mean, this is beautiful. I don't know how it looks on camera. I mean, I can see on the screen, but the colors are great. It really is in person. It's beautiful. So many leaves. And now we've come to a sign that says Falls. And it's 0.8 miles. Right down here. So, we're almost there. So there are the falls. We're a little, the view's not the greatest. There is another spot. We're just waiting for some family to leave. They're having lunch there right now. This is a really, this is still a great view, but you can see all these trees right here in the way. So if I lift this up, we can get an even better one. But we'll just wait. We're gonna wait a little bit. Yuliya's hanging out up there. You said this is a little bit of a nicer view from here, Yuliya?
Hold on, you can check it out.
Oh yeah, I mean, I guess you get a little more. Oops. Nah. We gotta go back to the other one. This is nice. I've activated the camera because I'm trying to see if we can see this chipmunk. It's right on the other side of the boulder. That little boulder.
It's also having lunch.
See, oh, you could actually see its head now. Wow, man, I wish it came a little closer. It'd be great to have it on camera. Ooh, it popped out. Oh, there it is. I got it on camera. Cute guy. Cute little thing having lunch with us. What are you doing, waving to the chipmunk?
Oh my god, can you see it?
Yeah, it's eating. I can't see it on the camera though. Yeah. Try and sit down. I know you want to see it, but maybe it'll come back out. Oh, where'd it go? It went down that way? That's pretty much it, probably. Alright. Some more wildlife for you. Got some snakes, got some chipmunks, no bears though. Maybe later, who knows. Wow, so we just climbed down this little path here, and I mean, this view is absolutely amazing. This shot, this scene is just great. It really is. I lean out a little bit where we are literally on like the end of a cliff here. So if I move this, there's nothing but a plummet. So, you know, holding myself up on a rock and a tree. So there's the fall, and there's a little, probably see over there, a little pond. where the water all kind of, you know, flows to. Really pretty. Really beautiful, really is. I mean, the colors are absolutely, they're perfect. Can't ask for a better color than that. This is a nice mixture of, you know, some pines or firs, or I don't know, you know, like I said, I need to take a tree recognition course or something, but it's great. So that's the bottom line. It's beautiful. Right? What do you say, Yuliya? Yes?
Beautiful, yes.
Yeah? Alright. Alright, we're gonna go up, we're waiting for like another spot. And we're gonna take some shots from there and see how it looks. Because it is like a nicer area. Nice area. It's not nicer than this, but we are on a cliff here, so. So I got her. She was completely blindsided.
You got me.
And the only thing is that this is all like a silhouette, but how do you feel?
So you know how much I love these. I feel like I'm dreaming. This isn't real.
Yeah. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, that's why I figured I'd do it this weekend, because you knew like it was going to be coming some point. And, you know, I told everybody this is exactly how I wanted to do it too. Beautiful scene. You know, we were just sitting here on the rocks, the waterfall. Oh, on top of the waterfall. I was going to do it on the other side, but I figured, you know what, well, one, there was a lot of people. So, well, show everybody your ring. Go ahead. Okay, do it normal. Don't do a fist. Just, your nails are probably fine. You can't even tell. It's nice. You look good.
Thank you.
You make the ring look better. Alright, here's now we'll do some shots. So, alright, you saw it. I let you guys know ahead of time. She had no idea, and I definitely caught her. So, and she said yes, obviously. So, we're gonna take some pictures. Alright. This is my fiance. Oh wow, right. And this is OK Slip Falls. I'm gonna be fine. So you saw earlier we were on the other side. I'm not sure exactly where. Oh, actually, right over there. I wonder if those people saw. Oh yeah, they probably did actually. So we were over there and over there. That's what you saw us earlier. Now, we're here right on top of the falls, and as you can see I'm kind of on a sloped ledge here. So, just got engaged, so I don't want to die. I'm going to back up, and that's it. This is the falls, and, you know.
Sal.
What?
Come back.
And, you know, she's yelling at me now. So. This is fine. This is safe right here. Anyway. This is right off. So there's a little waterfall here. It falls onto there, and then these fall all the way down. And this is it. Nice little pond. Really beautiful. So I'm happy with the location. I'm happy with you know, the scenery, everything. It's perfect. And I got her, and she's super happy and was caught off guard. So, all right. We're gonna, that's it, we're gonna head back and see what else, maybe if we can hit another trail or start gathering some firewood. It's a good night to celebrate though. We have nature's carpet, nature's rug here. You have a little trail embedded throughout, but you got some nice beautiful moss everywhere. It's so nice. We're just heading back right now. I wanted to stop. Oh, and there goes Yuliya, you know, taking some more photos of her lovely ring. Man, look at that thing shine, huh?
Yeah, it's really
Alright.
radiant.
It's not radiant, it's emerald. Alright everyone, so Yuliya and I here are just getting some fire prep going. Yuliya's been helping me a lot, gathering some wood, and I split some open, and right now I'm shaving some curls. Make a nice pile of that, because I'm going to be starting the fire with my fire steel. So I've used it a few times, as you can see, and let's see if I can get one going today. We did just have a little drizzle, so things are a little moist. But things are going along nicely, so got a nice pile going here. And we'll get started in a second.
Come on, baby. Come out.
Got it. tomato soup in here. Nothing yet. Some butter cooking up. It's a little dirty now, but it's to do some toast on here. It'll be on the side there. Nice and hot, that's for sure. Luckily we had a nice drizzle of rain, so things around us are all damp, which is good. There's a lot of ember coming out of this fire. Ambers, whatever. Embers. Yuliya, is it embers or ambers?
What?
Is it embers or ambers?
Ambers?
Ambers or embers? What is it?
Kind of the same thing.
Fire ambers or fire embers?
Ambers? Is the butter melted?
Yeah, the butter's been melted. There's just some like ash in it though.
Yeah, it's gonna have ash on our toast. Okay, put a piece of toast on it.
Let me see if I can get it out. Oh yeah, I got it. It's alright. Just a little carbon.
Put toast on it. Okay, now put some cheese on it. I'll do it. Smelly cheese.
Smelly. Oh, so yeah, basically we're making grilled cheese and soup. That's what this is. I just realized I forgot.
Yeah, a long time's passed since I told you that, I guess. Can we take it off for a second? Sal, right there is a rag.
This isn't hot. I mean, yeah, I should use a rag just for safety. But I know this doesn't get that hot.
Alright, I think that's enough cheese.
Yeah. That goes on top, or you do that after? Yeah, put it on top and then we'll flip it.
Thank you.